In this quick tutorial, let me show you how you can find deleted videos on your iPhone. So if I open up my gallery in here, you can see I have photos and videos. And for example, I'm going to click on the trash to delete this video as an example. So it's going to be moved away from the library and it's seemingly not present here. But what we can do is switch from the library mode to collections mode at the bottom. And now we have different things like the memories, maps, albums, and so on. But you should be able to find a section called utilities. And this should contain the recently deleted folder. When you expand it, you might need to unlock it with your Face ID or even a passcode. Doesn't have to be the case, but for me it is. And now we have all of the recently deleted photos like this one from yesterday and as well this video. So what we can do with it is, of course, click on delete once again and permanently get rid of it, meaning that it will be gone and that's irreversible. So you have to confirm it a few times. Or you can click the recover button and this makes it come back to the main photos library. So it's no longer in the trash folder. And if I come back to library, you can see that the video reappeared. So that's how you can find your deleted videos on iPhone. Let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.